Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to replace the toner in this Brother laser printer. I checked online to see what kind of toner I need to buy and how much it costs. In this particular printer I need to get either a TN730 or a TN760 toner. However, when I checked online I noticed that it costs way too much to buy toner. It's anywhere between $45 to $85, and that's just way too much to spend on just toner, especially when this printer cost me around a little over $100. So the toner itself can add up pretty quickly to way more than the cost of the printer over time. So what I've done is I went out and bought a third-party toner from a company called Linkio. I'll have a link to this exact item in the description of this video if you guys are interested. I bought this one from Amazon and it cost me, I believe, around 25 bucks, something like that, and it comes with 2 toners. So you get 2, which is really good deal, I think, for 25 bucks. So what these printer companies have started doing is they've been putting chips inside the toners, little microchips that allow them to detect that you're using a non-genuine Brother toner, and it'll basically not accept the toner you put inside. So what I'm gonna have to do here is I'm gonna need to take out the chip from the old toner, the genuine toner that this printer came with, and install it on the new toner cartridge so that I can trick the printer into thinking that it's still using its genuine toner. All right, so let's go ahead and remove the old toner from the printer. There's these 2 tabs on the sides. You just kind of pull them apart and it opens this compartment. Just grab it from the green area here. Just pull it out nice and gently. And here you can see the chip I'm talking about. That's the one that detects, allows the printer to detect if you're using a genuine toner or not. So in this bag is the new toner. Let me go ahead and take it out. Now, this here is only the toner, but in this case up here, this is the toner plus the drum. So what we need to do is we need to separate this toner part from the drum. All right, to separate it, there's this green tab here you're gonna push down on, and I'll pop out the toner cartridge, just like that. Very simple. And you can put this aside for now. All right, let's flip these 2 over. This is the original one. Here's the third-party one. So you can see the chips are located in the same place. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide this one out and this one as well and put it into the slot here. All right, so it's not a good idea to touch this with your hands, with your fingers, because the oils in your skin might damage the chip here. So just wear some spandex gloves like I'm doing. All right, so I'm gonna use this razor blade here to go ahead and put this underneath that chip and force it out of there. All right, I lifted it a little bit, and I'm gonna use the screwdriver instead to continue. There we go. So just kind of push it and pry it open and it'll pop right off of there. It was being held down by some glue underneath. So let's go ahead and set this aside and bring in the new toner cartridge. All right, so here, this one is a little bit different. You're not gonna have to pry it out. What you have to do is slide it out. So come from this side, from the inside part, and just kind of push it. And it slides right out like that. All right, so now we're gonna take the original genuine chip and we're gonna insert it into the third-party cartridge, just like this. we're gonna slide it right in. And that's it. Simple as that. And now your printer will think you have an original, genuine toner installed. All right, so what you want to do is you want to take this cartridge here and you want to just kind of rotate it from side to side. Give it a gentle shake just to even out the toner dust inside. Once you've done that, we're going to take off this protective cover. Be careful not to touch this part here with your hands. Turn it around and just insert it right into the slot here. Once it's sitting in there, go ahead and push it down. It'll click right in place. All right, so I've turned on the printer, and as soon as I turned it on, I heard 3 clicking sounds, and now it stopped clicking and it says here ready. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna print a test page to see what it does. All right, so what I wanna do is I wanna print myself a report. So I'm gonna click the arrows down, 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 print reports, press OK, print settings, WLAN report, drum dot print, network config, printer settings, and I'm gonna print the print settings. Press OK, go. So far the print looks very good. The toner looks good. Here it says drum unit and toner cartridge are at 100% pretty much. So that's great. It thinks that everything is good. It says here error history, toner low. So with my original toner that came with the printer, it was able to print about 358 pages or so before the toner got low. And then at 417 pages, it asked me to replace the toner and wouldn't print anymore. So I'm just curious to see how much more pages I can print with the toner I just installed in here. But apart from that, everything else looks very good. There's no problems at all. Well, you guys, that's how you save a lot of money on toner. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you can, please. And also subscribe to my channel for more useful videos in the future. Thanks again. See you guys later.